So let's call the team captains on stage, please. Jadanika Malhotra and Gail De Silva.
Great to have you on stage with us, ladies, once again. Looking gorgeous, as always. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to get on board once again the man with a keen eye and a broad vision who took up the odious task of grooming the novice guys into supermodels ready to climb the fashion stairway. He is fashion industry's premium consultant, none other than Mr. Prasad Bidappa!
Your mic's working, Sid. I thought you were throwing your voice like a knockfist, my dear. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a pleasure being here. Thank you, Siddharth.
What was going on in your head at that time? Were you becoming nostalgic? Were you feeling every part of it? What was going on in your head?
I was feeling really sorry for him now, because you come onto a stage like that and give you a question like that, it's really tough. But I think he handled it well, and so well done.
So honestly, would you prefer to be a mental version or a physical version?
I don't think I'd like to be a version.
Wonderful, ladies and gentlemen. Supreme power. I'm excellent, Manish. Oh.
And I love your singing.
You love my singing. Excellent. Manish, how does one get a discount from a Manish Malhotra store? Who all wants to know this question? Put your hand up. Please. Who all wants a discount from Manish Malhotra store? How does one give it? Please give us the trick right now.
There's just no discounts.
Why, Manish? Why?
Because I haven't survived. And yeah, priceless. See?
Wonderful, Manish. God bless you.
I love you.
Alright, okay, Manish, when you were seeing these hunks on stage, do you think they can capture the international market?
Well, I think they need to work hard with the way they speak. And they're already fit, so I think a little hard work and they're there.
Wonderful, thank you, Manish. Here's hoping in 2014 we get a discount. Rocky! Let's hear it for Rocky, yes! Way to go! Rocky, how do you enter every nightclub with 25 women all the time? What is the mantra?
I keep telling them you're going to be there.
So they come for me? First time someone said that. Round of applause.
I'm kidding.
Come on. Okay, Rocky. You know, you've been a designer for Bollywood. You've seen these boys there, alright? Do you think at least 50 to 60% have a chance to be the next Bollywood star?
I think all of them can, if it's on hard work and dedication which is required, all of them can become Bollywood actors.
Hey, you know, I like, Rocky, people say you say dialogues very well. He says excellent dialogues, alright? So Arjun, you have to give him a dialogue and we will take...
Sure. Okay, I mean, we are conscious. Okay, we're not going to be answering questions and answers.
Come on, yeah, Arjun. Okay, come here. Come on. One sec, come on. It's okay, ready? Imagine you're a Bollywood star. Say, Na. Orvatti Sunna. Nurvatti Sunna Madri. Nandanda. Rocky, yes. Minded. Ladies and gentlemen, our South Indian superstar. Ellie, कैसी हैं आप?
बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हो?
Wonderful. Ellie, जब आप इन हंस को देख रही थी, alright, तो आपके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा था? क्या आपको लगा मैं इनसे शादी करूं? क्या मैं इनको राखी बांधूं? या अर्जुन की तरह इनको न्यूड देखूं मैगजीन्स में, वो भी भारतीय मैगजीन्स में?
मैंने क्या सोचा जब मैंने ये सब लड़के देखे? मैंने सिर्फ एंजॉय किया, ज्यादा नहीं सोचा चाहिए।
Would you like to see them on the magazine of an Indian magazine, which is a nude magazine?
Yes, why not? I feel that they deserve it, you know, they have been here and, you know, so, yeah.
They deserve to be on an Indian magazine nude. Have you been to SavitriBhavi.com magazine? You will never want to go there.
आपने nude बोला?
मैंने nude बोला, फिर आपने क्या सोचा?
Hey भगवान जी, मैंने गलत सुना.
तुमने क्या सुना? Nude ही बोला था मैंने ना? अच्छा, in Hindi it's called नंगापन.
हाँ, exactly. मुझे लगता है कि आप एक बहुत बड़ा थप्पड़ छाए.
Thank you so much. आपकी हिंदी बहुत अच्छी है. Love you, darling. Arjun Bajwa. Arjun के लिए तालियां, please, ladies and gentlemen. I spoke to him 3 days back. He spent 2 hours every day to make this beard for this event, ladies and gentlemen. Round of applause. Arjun, आपने fashion देखा है, but while you were concentrating on the male models, all right, you were talking a lot to Ellie as well. What were you guys talking about?
मैं उनके दिल की बात जानने की कोशिश कर रहा था, और अब मेरे ख्याल से जो पीछे बहुत सारे खड़े हैं 5, उनके जो दिल की धक-धक है उसको हम लोग देखें कि कौन जीता है. I think let's give them a big round of applause for all of them.
Round of applause to all of them. Thank you so much to all our judges. Thank you so much. All right. Yes, come in. All right, and I request the 5 finalists to step ahead, please. The most awaited moment of the evening is finally here. As a tradition, I will now announce the
Well, you know, I think it's a really good initiative. It's the first time we are doing a Mr. India. There is a Mr. World contest that happens worldwide, and it's from the same pageant, from the Miss World, Miss India. From all those pageants comes the Mr. World pageant as well, and now we've joined with them, and for the first time, I think we're going to be sending the winner, who's going off to London, I think, in 2 weeks to go and contest. So good luck. It's basically judged more on the physicality, on your fitness and on your strength. And jokingly I would put it, we're looking for a James Bond. So who's also suave, witty, classy, and you know, can just speak on the spur of the moment. I think the boys did a wonderful job, all of them. And Pratik stood out from all of them. And what's really nice about him is not only is he very, very fit, the winner, he's got the beard, you know, he's very unconventional and very different. So he could have kind of stood out from everybody on that level, and he looked very humble. He answered really well. It was a very difficult question he got about if he thought that his woman should be a virgin or not. And I think he really spoke well about that. It's not easy to do those kind of things. These are young boys, they've hardly got any training. And I'm sure now they're in good hands with the Times Group and they will get to well. Well, this is not about being a model. This is more about a contest. I've never taken part in a contest ever in my life, like a male contest. So I don't know, but a lot of models have come from winning male contests, different events. And that's a different lot of people, you know. So these guys are young boys, they've come there, they've got an opportunity, they've taken it, and Pratik's off to London, and we should wish him all the best.
I think the guy who won, number 11, Pratik Jain, me and Ellie, we both thought that he was really good from the first time we saw him, because he's very unique, he looks very different, and somehow he came across as somebody hardworking and honest, and we made the right decision. He gave the really good answer as well. Yeah, it has changed definitely, because till now we had all these pageants only for women, and since we have it for men, and we have somebody representing our country in the male pageant, which is very different and new. And I congratulate Times of India Group for this, that they have taken this initiative to put up a contest like this, where male models not only just walk the ramp in our country, but they represent our country abroad as well.
Well, first of all, I mean, the looks has to be there, but as I said before the show, I mean, the person has to be intelligent also, because otherwise the looks will just like fade away if that factor is not there. And I feel that the winner, Pratik Jain, right?
Pratik Jain, yes.
Yes, the kind of answer he gave was just amazing, and after that I just felt that yes, he's the one. He's the winner. Sorry?
Mother's Day wish.
Mother's Day wish.
Wishing every mother in the
Yeah,
world.
I wish every mother in this world, I wish every mother a lot of love and happiness